traffic, Cherokee 06 Whiskey, 8 mile final, runway 29.
Charles County traffic, Cessna 37 Hotel, 10.5 mile city, 2,300 feet, landing 16 Carroll County.
KMA traffic, Mini 3 Lima, turn left cross, 1 to downwind for 28, full stop, KMA.
Fire, left off and 30 final, 5.
Left downwind departure back towards Medina.
Having traffic jumping engine, turning final for 21.
Fuel tanks will be entering downwind. Where's the other there at? I will be looking for you.
Ocean City traffic, 29501, 2 miles out, inbound for landing. Runway 24.
KMA traffic, Mini 3 Lima, left downwind, 28, full stop, KMA.
KMA traffic, 996 Tango Alpha, white blue Skyhawk, maneuvering under left downwind, 28 KMA.
KMA traffic, Mini 3 Lima, turn left base, 28, full stop, KMA.
Ocean City traffic, 29501, entering the downwind for runway 24. 26. 24, sorry.
Started traffic, Cessna 376.
Carroll County traffic, traffic 45 degree in chief, as a downwind, 16 Carroll County.
KMA traffic, 996 Tango Alpha, maneuvering for the left downwind, 8 miles to the southwest, KMA, 28.
Hey, KMA traffic, Mini 3 Lima, turn final, 28, full stop, KMA.
County traffic, Cherokee 06 Whiskey, 5 mile final, runway 29.
Carroll County traffic, traffic doing left downwind, runway 16, Carroll County. Front of traffic, 969 to the...
Ocean City traffic, 29501, turning base for runway 24.
Rapid Tiger, runway 16.
Carroll County traffic, Cessna 37 Hotel, on a 5.5 mile, 45, runway 16 Carroll County.
And Ocean City traffic, if it is going to depart 24 straight out with no delay. Has to get traffic insight.
Ocean County Unit 4, Unit Car, experimentally so Julian Mike, clear southeast.
Ocean City traffic, 29501, final for runway 24.
Fire traffic, Skyline 5 miles east of field 1000, inbound landing, runway 25, Spitfire.
Traffic, narrow stop.
Ocean City traffic, 29501, clarity active.
Left downwind 28, full stop gate.
Alrighty, we got the aircraft all cleaned up. I don't see anybody out there. I think we're ready to go. Ocean City traffic 29501, taking runway 24 for departure for to the east.
Cape May traffic, 6 Tango Alpha, turning left base, 28, full stop Cape May.
Back 7 miles southeast of the field and onto left downwind 2576.
Alright, we're going to take up a heading here about 265 degrees. That'll take us straight into Ridgely. And we should be in Ridgely in roughly 38 minutes. And that'll pick me up. We'll have lunch. That's it for now.